And here I am going to explain about the last portion of lesson 6, the Mughal Empire after Akbar. Okay, and already we have discussed about Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Jahangir, etc., etc. And here I am going to explain about what are the strengths and weaknesses of Mughal Empire. And here we will discuss about the causes of decline of Mughal Empire. Okay, and first we will discuss about the strengths and weakness of the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire at the time of great Mughals, it was based completely on the central military power and political authority. And in other hand, we can say that the Mughals, they neglected the navy. They did not give any importance for navy and failed to modernize their army. That was the main weakness of Mughal Empire. The Mughals, they did not give, or they neglected the navy, and they did not give any importance for navy, and they failed to modernize their army. Okay, and they faced frequent wars. That was another reason for the decline of Mughal Empire. They faced number of rebellions, number of wars, etc., etc. And I already explained that Aurangzeb, he introduced many types of introduced many policies. Example, he abolished many kinds of taxes. Jizya is the example, isn't it? And he abolished, or he cancelled jizya, and he gave more importance for Hindus and Muslims. After the matrimonial alliance with Rajputs, he gave more importance for Rajputs also. He abolished many taxes that wants to pay by the non-Muslims, and he gave more importance for Rajputs, isn't it? And but at the time of Aurangzeb, he again, I told you already, Akbar cancelled some or abolished some taxes, but at the time of Aurangzeb, he increased the taxes payable by non-Muslims and permitted the destruction of temple. Okay, this was the another reason for the decline of Mughal Empire. And rise of independent state. Aurangzeb, he alienated large sections of the people through his policy of religious intolerance, especially the Rajputs. At the time of Akbar's time, after the matrimonial alliance, Akbar gave more importance for Rajput, but at the time of Aurangzeb, he did not give any importance for Rajput, who had always stood by the Mughals, now become hostile. In the initial stage, the relationship between Rajputs and Mughals, the Rajput, they stood for the Mughals always, but at the end of the Mughal period, they become hostile. Okay, the Sikhs become militant. After the death of Aurangzeb, they rose under Banda Bahadur. This ultimately led the establishment of an independent state of Punjab under Ranjit Singh towards the end of the 18th century. Okay, and next reason for the decline, that is war of succession. Mughal dynasty did not have clear rulers of succession. I told you in the last class, the Aurangzeb, he was the strong and ablest king of the Mughal dynasty. After Aurangzeb, many rulers were there, but they were very weak rulers, and they faced many types of rebellions, revolts, etc., etc. Okay, and the Mughal dynasty did not have clear rules of succession. This caused bloody conflict even during the reign of the great Mughals. After Aurangzeb, 10 weak rulers occupied the throne in quick succession in a span of just 54 years. And what was the next important reason for the decline of Mughals? That is foreign invaders. The weakness of the central authority during the reign of the later Mughals attracted invaders. Example, Nadir Shah. Nadir Shah invasion was followed by a series of invasions by Ahmad Shah Abdali. These invasions not only devastated the military strength and economy of the empire, but also made the northwest insecure. As a result, the flourishing trade of this region dwindled and the economy stagnant. And the Mughal rulers, they paid a lot of money for the different kinds of wars, for facing this revolt, rebellions, etc., etc. So these invasions not only devastated the military strength and economy of the empire. And next reason for the decline of Mughals, that is oppression and maladministration. As the empire became poorer, the nobles and the Zemindas started fleecing the peasantry to extract more revenue. The people, those who are working in field, they usually they have to pay different kinds of taxes. But as the empire became poorer, the nobles and the Zemindas, they started fleecing the peasantry to extract more revenue. And this issue, these kinds of problems leads different kinds of revolts, and agriculture suffered and revenues dwindled further. Mughal officials become inefficient and corrupt in the absence of powerful central authority. The absence of powerful central authority, the officials, they become inefficient. That was another important cause of the decline of Mughals. Absence of a central authority or powerful central authority. The Mughal officials, they were inefficient. They become inefficient and corrupt. Okay, and next reason is negative role of the nobles. The nobles formed groups among themselves and hatched conspiracies against the king. That was the last reason for the decline of Mughals. The nobles, they become more powerful. What is the reason for that? The absence of a powerful central authority. The nobles become more powerful, and the nobles formed groups among themselves and hatched conspiracies against the king. And although many of these states were strong as well administered, their rise contribution to the collapse of Mughal authority. The nobles formed groups of among themselves and hatched conspiracies against the king, and they were not interested in getting their candidate appointed the wazir than in the welfare of the state. Okay, these are the important reasons for the causes of decline: rise of independent state, war of succession, foreign invaders, oppression and maladministration, negative role of the nobles. Okay, and what are the strength and weakness of the Mughal empire? The Mughal empire at that time of the great Mughals, based on the strong military power and the political authority, and on the other hand, they did not give, or they neglected the importance of navy and failed to modernize their army. Okay, these are the important reasons for the decline of Mughal empire.